I didn't think I would say it, but this torch is one of my best purchases. I mean, it's a torch, but I was hesitating for a long time. I have already lots of Ryobi devices, bags, etc. But I was drawn to this one, and finally I bought it, and I thought, blimey, 25 quid for a torch and then a battery. You know what? This was the best 25 quid I have ever spent. Finally, a torch that just has an on and off button. No some blinking nonsense or some other half power, quarter power, blinking this way, that way, just on and off. That's what I want. And that in itself is brilliant. Well, you might laugh, but you know, there are so many torches that do that nonsense. And it also does those great things. I can turn the head around this way and then the other way, almost to the same degree. There is just tiny bit off the axis, but it's almost 360 degrees, maybe without 5 degrees or something, so which is great. Then it's built really well. This is kind of a rubberized handle, and it goes really well onto tables and other surfaces, or what do you call them, those tiles, if you have some roof tiles or something sticking out of the building, you know, it holds really well. Even you know, we have this worktop, and I put it towards at the very end of this handle, and it still holds and it doesn't slip down. It's incredible. Therefore, I can also put it on that edge this way. I can then turn this down. This can be then up and bouncing off the ceiling, shining light on all the surfaces, everything around me. It's just brilliant, you know. What else can I say? Seriously, the best torch I've ever had, or kind of, you know, easy, simple, really nice to hold, and it gives this nice light. So let's have a look. So we've got this very small circle in the center, and then we've got this much bigger circle there. And it's really brilliant. It works really well, whether it's working with tools or in the garden, shining at plants at night, if you want to finish some jobs at night. It really works. I mean, seriously, I just buy it. Just get one. If you're thinking about getting a nice torch, just get one. It's totally worth all the money. You know. Thanks for watching. Take care.